back to MendzTV. This is Mags, and if you are new to our channel, please watch our video and don't forget to like and subscribe. So today, I'm going to unbox and review the JW PEI Gabbi Bag that I purchased last December 2020. So before we check what fits inside this bag, so let's take a deeper look on the construction of the bag. So as you can see, the Gabbi bag is a shoulder bag made of vegan leather and recycled plastic bottles. Its style is a 90s vintage ruched and scrunchy baguette bag. It has a magnetic closure, so as you can see, it snaps automatically when you close it. And it has an interior pocket here where you can put some cards and candies or stuff. Then its lining is a faux suede lining. So it's like a real suede lining. It feels like a suede lining, but it's not. It's just a faux suede lining. So if you touch the bag, it's smooth and you can really feel that it's well made. So I really like the feel of the bag when you hold it like this. Okay, and I like the texture. The smooth, silky texture with the ruched design. Crunchy design, okay? So now let's see what fits inside the bag. I will only put here my essentials. So let's see if it fits. Okay? So let's put first, of course, the handy dandy alcohol. Oh, it can fit like that, or you can put it down. Let's stand it up. This is my small fossil pocket wallet for my small bags. So you can see it still fits. And the alcohol. Next, I have car keys. Let's put it here inside. My cell phone. Okay, this is a Samsung phone. It's my old phone actually. See, still fits. Of course, it's still pandemic. We need some wipes. Still, you can still put other things. My house keys, of course. And of course, don't forget the mask. Here in Manila, we still use the mask, so it's still an essential here. You can put it there. Let's see if it will snap. Okay, it doesn't snap. Let's fix it again. It doesn't snap because I have a lot of things inside. But as you can see, since it's a baguette bag, I can still bring it anywhere. And it doesn't necessarily important if you close it or not. Since you're going to bring this in parties or events, or you can also bring this for everyday events, like if you want to go to the mall, you can also bring this. Let's see what I can do to snap it close. So of course I'm not going to remove my wallet. Just need to fix it here. Doesn't close, but it's okay for me if it doesn't close, as long as I can fit all my essentials. All in all, it's a nice bag, guys, and it fits all the things that I need. Yep, that's it. So guys, after we tried checking what fits inside our Gabbi bag, so now I'm going to share how I bought this bag. So I did not go to any online sellers, so I just bought the bag directly to their website, in their JW PEI website. So from there, you can just browse the catalogs and choose the bag that you want, add it to cart, and apply the discount code that they have. Yes, recently they've been releasing a lot of discount codes. So when I bought this last December 29, 2022, I got a year-end discount from them. So it's around 12% of the regular price of the bag. So the regular price of the bag is 4,600 pesos plus 600 pesos shipping fee to Manila. So all in all, it's 5,200 pesos. That's the regular price and the shipping price. But with the 12% discount code, I got it only for around 4,048 pesos plus the shipping fee of 600 pesos. So I got it for 4,648 pesos. So their estimated delivery time is 15 to 25 days. But I only got it after 7 days. So December 29, then I got it around January 5, 2023. Okay, it's hassle-free, guys. You don't need to go to any online sellers. Just go directly to their website and apply their discount codes. Right now, I think they have ongoing discounts again. So please check it out. And I think that's it. You can buy this bag easily through their website as long as you have a credit card on you. They're good to go. Okay, so what else? I think yeah, that's it. That's all that I can share with you guys. So I hope you like our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what are the products that you want us to review. It can be bag, accessories, or appliances if you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.